Good. Today I got a special soldering kit, a DIY light bulb. It comes with two boards, one for the rectifier, see here, and one for the LEDs, see here. But, and that was the reason I ordered it, it came with a plastic sphere and a cone to house the components like in a real light bulb. Unfortunately, the LEDs are not included, so I had to take some that I had lying around anyways. Building is straightforward. Most of the components' places are printed on the board. Just check them, put them in, double check and solder them to the board. And since I did not learn the color coding on the resistors, I'm just measuring them with my multimeters before putting them into place. So far so good. Here the print just states R2 without any value. Since there's just one resistor left, I assumed that this was it and I put it into place. These are the places for the diodes. Basically they act as check valves. We need 4 of them to turn the alternating main currents into an LED friendly direct current. And now it's time for the soldering. Most times I end up with putting too many pieces into place before starting soldering. That makes it more difficult, but here it's manageable. Lastly, the capacitor. It is the buffer to smoothen out the peaks and gaps of the rectified AC. It is the second component that actually cares about its polarity, so triple check. Now I connect my board to the thread and the wires to connect it to the other LED board. Putting everything into the cone seems to be quite challenging. I tried different ways, but at the end I think I found a way to put it in there. A quick reality check to see if everything runs perfectly, and it's in fact a rectifier. So here the mains is at 290 volt as we just saw, and we are going to connect it to 38 LEDs that are put into series. So I can easily calculate the voltage per LED by just dividing it by the number of LEDs. Which means we are ending up with 7.6 volts per LED, but my LEDs are just rated for 3.4 volts. So we will blow them up if we continue building this. A few thoughts later I came to the conclusion that this board was made to run in the US, where they actually have just 110 volts instead for the EU, where we have more. So it doesn't make any sense to continue here, because I will just ruin my LEDs, because I don't have a step down converter to put in between. So that's it for the moment. Thanks a lot for watching.